Hello and welcome to Playback Memory Lab. This tutorial will guide you through the steps of converting VHS tapes. Your lab appointment will begin with Playback staff inspecting your tapes. If you brought VHS-C tapes to digitize, staff will give you a battery-operated adapter and show you how to use it. Be sure the cassette clicks into place and the tape has been correctly deployed in the adapter before loading it into the VHS deck. We're going to begin with opening BlackMagic Media Express and previewing our videotape. In the upper right here, we see the icon for BlackMagic Media Express. It's also available at the bottom of the screen. We're going to double click that, open it up, and we should see our video playing in the Log and Capture tab. Notice the green bars, they indicate that the audio tracks. And if you want to listen while the tape is playing, plug the headphones into the headphone jack on the front of the VHS deck. Just a sidebar, if you hear any squealing sounds coming from the VHS deck, please immediately stop the tape and alert a playback staff member. And we are ready to begin capture. At this point, you would rewind your tape to the beginning of where you want to start recording. I'm just going to start recording here. And the way you begin recording is by clicking this button, Capture. And now we are recording, we're capturing to disk. Your videotape is being digitized in real time and you can follow how much time has elapsed with the counter. When you're ready to stop capturing, you hit the capture button again. And you will see your video clip appear here. It's going to be untitled 01. It's a movie file, a .mov file, which is a very large file. And that's why our second step in this process is going to be to compress it. And I'm going to open Handbrake, click on Open Source and find your file. I know that the file that I want to compress is untitled 01. And so I click on it and I click Open. You'll see your video is loaded there. We need to adjust several settings in here before we begin to compress the file. We're in the Summary tab. We want to double check format. It is MP4. Then we come down here to Save As. We want to give our video clip a name. You can change the name to anything you want to the left of the .mp4, but you need to keep that file extension there. And then we need to look over here and see where is it saving to. I want to change that to my personal storage device, so click Browse. I'm going to plug in my flash drive, or maybe you brought an external hard drive with you. Pops up right here in the file finder and also over here on the desktop. So I need to select it as the location for where I'm going to save. Click on it and then I click Choose. Here we see all of our settings are good. We've got an MP4 file, we've got title, and we've got saving to my drive. Now we need to look at video encoder. Encoder should be H.264. Frame rate needs to be changed to 29.97 NTSC video. I'm going back to the Summary tab just so I have a view of my clip. The next step will be to start compression. Click on the green arrow at the top and you will see the job progress down here at the bottom of the window and also down here on the toolbar. And it just finished. That's because it was only a 1 minute long clip. An hour long video clip might take 10 to 15 minutes or more. We're finished here. I would open up my drive and check out the MP4 file that I just created. And there it is, Guerneville Treasures. So I'm going to double click on that, open it, and I'm going to drag through here and make sure that it captured everything that I wanted in a good format. I can also press play and listen to it.
96 site of the Veteran Memorial Building. Number 777 residence.
So I've checked my video. I'm happy with it. That is how the digitizing process works. So I'm just going to close out of my windows here. I've verified that I have my file saved here. So when I close out of Media Express, I can just say don't save. The last thing I want to do is safely eject my flash drive. So you can do that by clicking and dragging this to the trash down here, or just right-clicking on your drive in eject. And it should disappear from the screen when it's ready to be removed. So I'm removing it.